Hi guys, happy solstice to ya. Gonna try a song here that I wrote a while back and haven't played in a long time. So forgive any rough spots, would you? See if I can get through the first verse without one. Gonna buy me a microwave oven. Gonna sell my old wood stove. Buy me a microwave oven now. Sell my old wood stove. Don't wanna chop no more cordwood. Don't wanna haul no more coal. Yeah, chimney choked with soot. My grate is filled with ash. Oh, my chimney choked with soot now. And my grate is filled with ash. But when I'm cooking electronic, won't have to mess with that trash. I'm gonna cook with with radiation. Bring my cooking up to date. Gonna cook with radiation now. Bring my cooking up to date. And I won't have to worry about no clinkers clogging up my grate. Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in the socket. Bake my jelly roll in no time flat. Gonna plug it in the socket now. Bake my jelly roll in no time flat. You know there ain't no wood stove, but he ever cook like that. Yeah, I'm gonna hear her humming while she cooking. Hear a bell ring when she done. Hear her humming while she cooking now. Hear her bell ring when she's done. And now it's too much like work with a wood stove. Microwave make cooking fun. Microwave blues.